The subtalar joint. The subtalar joint, also known as the talocalcaneal joint, is a complex joint located below the ankle joint. It plays a crucial role in foot mechanics, allowing for movements like inversion, inward rolling, and eversion, outward rolling, of the foot. Here are some key facts about the subtalar joint. Location. The subtalar joint is situated between the talus, ankle bone, and the calcaneus, heel bone. Type. It's a synovial joint, which means it's lined with a membrane that produces fluid to reduce friction. Movements. The subtalar joint allows for inversion, inward rolling; eversion, outward rolling; rotation. Importance. The subtalar joint helps to absorb shock, distribute pressure, facilitate movement. Common issues. Problems with the subtalar joint can lead to conditions like subtalar joint instability, sinus tarsi syndrome, posterior tibial tendon dysfunction. I hope that helps. Do you have any specific questions about the subtalar joint or its functions?